I spent a lot of time thinking, and I've come to realize that I'm just not good for you.
Here it is side by side. As you can tell, this one has a smaller footprint. It seems to have more ground clearance than the factory one, which is a freaking plus. Alright guys, I got the exhaust installed and I can't wait to hear it, and I'm sure you guys can't wait either. The only thing is that I have to go to AutoZone real quick to pick up an O2 bong port or plug because it's open right now and for some reason it wasn't in the box. I just gotta go to AutoZone, pick it up, come back, install it, and show you what the exhaust sounds like. That right there is a sneak peek into the future episode. Do you guys know what it is? Leave a comment down below if you know.